Hi! In front of me is Realme C25Y, and today I would like to show you how you can check all device specifications of this Realme. Firstly, open Play Store, click on the search bar and type DevCheck. Then download this free app from this developer and tap on Open. From this app you can find out all the information about this Realme's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!